Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And honestly, on this video, I want to talk a little bit more about Online Sales Pro. Most probably, I will be putting out some other awesome content on this channel. So if you do wish to subscribe, the subscribe button is below. Other than that, I just want to honestly talk about Online Sales Pro for a bit right on the get-go, because I have been noticing that people are really confused of what the concept of a tool or a software is in a marketing system. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open Paint. So let's open Paint because I want to write down here on this board, okay, a little bit. What I want to write down is what is a marketing systems, okay? So let's do marketing system. What is the use of a marketing system? Now, like I say, you have to imagine yourself going door to door and making a presentation of your product. You know, you have the door-to-door salesmen that you used to see before, which you don't see that much now because it's becoming insignificant, right? Because there's all the sales process is happening online. So it's becoming insignificant to have the door-to-door salesman, right? But before, think about it. You had to go and present, and you had whatever, 8 hours in a day in order for you to present your offer to 100 people. Okay, so it's very, very limited. You cannot scale it up. Now, an advertisement could be part of the marketing system that you have. Before, there were many elements that you needed in order for you to have a marketing system, guys. Okay, which means advertising, then following up in a certain way. You need to call, you need to talk to them, you need to get them to a meeting or set up an interview, and then make sure it's the right client or no for you. You have to present your offer and all these kind of things. What a marketing system does is two things. It allows you to firstly present your offer. Okay, I'm just going to write PR, present your offer, okay, multiple times. Okay, just going to put multiple like this, many times basically. Okay, and secondly, it allows you to create a sales process. Okay, now you may say, David, but isn't this the same thing? No, the presentation can be the sales process, right? But in order for you to create a sales process, you're creating what is called automation. Okay, and this needs marketing. Okay, for the sales process, you need for it to get marketing. So this is the high skill that you need here is marketing. When I say you present your offer, it's like you hit the play button, okay, or you go as a robot, you go to imagine 150 doors every single day, and you can sit at home and the robot presents it to 150 people. So it gives you a platform for you to actually present it, and then it gives you a place where you can learn the skills to actually go through the sales process and create automation for yourself. Sometimes these marketing systems can be also a stream of income, but not always, guys, not always. And if your focus is here, you're gonna make no money. And I'm being very, very open about this, okay? You're gonna make no money, not at all, if your focus is here. Okay, I know it's a chaotic picture, whatever, but I want you to understand this, okay? Because the moment you start doing this only, okay, that your focus is only, I need to sell the marketing system, I need to sell the marketing system, whatever you're selling, you're doing it the wrong way, because you're not being a product of the product, okay? You're not using it. However, if I'm selling something else, okay, I'm selling a car, I'm selling cars, and another car dealership company comes to me and says, hey, what are you using in order for you to like collect your leads and make sure that you follow up with them? Oh, I'm using Online Sales Pro. You can take a look at it as well. It's pretty good. It's this is what it costs, etc., etc., etc. Give them all the bells and whistles, and they decide to go ahead. Great, that earns you a commission. and then they can do the same. Okay, and you can always do it this way. You can market this way. So you have two options to do it. First, you use it, get the results, and then once you get the results, you can mark it as a system that you use in order for you to allow yourself to get marketing. Now, what does Online Sales Pro provide? I'm going to show you guys in this video, but I wanted to specifically let you know about this because I know that there are a lot of people and a lot of videos about Online Sales Pro reviews and stuff like that on the internet that promote it or show it as a tool that has done for you funnels. Yes, it does have funnels. Don't get me wrong. It does have funnels, but it allows you to build the funnels as well. It allows you to be as creative as you want. I have created my own training website from Online Sales Pro. So anything is possible if you put your mind to it. It's the same function as ClickFunnels or anything else. So you need to make a decision on where you're starting and what you want from it. If Online Sales Pro meets the criteria that you would like, then good for you. Go ahead, get it. Okay. Honestly, that is my suggestion in terms of how you should think about it. Now let's go and look at the Online Sales Pro itself. I'm going to go into the back office so I can show you what I mean in terms of learning the marketing skill, because in order for you to do anything online, you need to learn marketing in order for you to start, generate basically the right mindset and the right results. I never ever, guys, and I'm being very, very honest with this, I never ever saw results until I personally understood the marketing, absorbed the information, and put it into practice. Okay, and actually implemented it. I suddenly saw a growth in myself and in my business because I was actually implementing strategies. So there are two things. Once you get the app, okay, once you get the software, you can also go to resources, and in the resources section, there is marketing training. Now, this marketing training is amazing because it's from all top people in the industry, including Aweber, which is an autoresponder. So it's a perfect, let's say, opportunity to learn more about automation there. And as you go on, live videos, how do you do things, how do you do you can see Ray Higdon as well was here, and Success is a Choice. You can go on, and there's quite a few as you can see, there's quite a few amazing marketing trainings. Plus, there's a mindset training over here itself with all the power calls that Grady Paulson has done of really just more than a year worth of information, which will really uplift you, empower you, and actually help you grow online. Okay. Besides that, I want to show you something. Once you become an affiliate, which is where we're at right now, right? OSP marketing. Literally, they will teach you how to prospect with OSP. Now, this doesn't show you how to prospect OSP. No. These are videos with top marketers, how to just prospect. This information you can use, how to market, whether you have an online business, whether you have an offline business, whether you have whatever e-commerce business, whatever kind of business you have and you want to market, this will give you how to prospect and get leads and sales and prospects. Okay, then this is a whole list building section. Okay, and then this is a follow-up section, and this is an affiliate section. So the only small section in Online Sales Pro that teaches affiliates how to be affiliates of Online Sales Pro is 7 videos. Okay, it's literally 7 videos, but everything else is purely marketing based. Okay, so this is the resources that basically are going to be one-on-one or one-on-one, let's say, marketing for you, and it will allow you to utilize the platform. Okay, I want to show you also the lead history myself. As you can see, I get at least I'm getting nice leads here, as you can see, but at least it shows here today I got around 250, 285 hits on my website, a bit lower than what I usually get, but it's good to see at least that people are clicking on my information on my website. So that's what I wanted to show you, exactly that you can still learn the marketing. Besides that, even if you join for free, okay, we will give you these 3 methods. And if you go into, if you're a VIP or an MVP, I want to show you this added, okay, let's go here. The VIP training will give you an added lead, how to create lead generation. So again, it's giving you exactly what you need in order for you to start to learn marketing and just go ahead and market anything. Not doesn't have to be online sales pro, guys. Use it as a software. Use it as a tool. Be the product of the product. Make a sales funnel. Get people to see it. I sell everything with online sales pro. Any kind of information product, any kind of everything goes through online sales pro. So it's my #1 recommended tool for you and me and everybody else, especially who's just starting online, in my opinion, to get started with online sales pro. Some people might outgrow it, and that's okay. Online sales pro as well can help you in terms of earning. Okay, you can earn a $20 commission on each person that you bring to online sales pro. On that note, guys, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I hope you got value out of this, because I gave you guys some really important tips that are more mindset and forward thinking tips. Okay, today is Wednesday. I love to talk about, I definitely come out and speak about online sales pro on Wednesdays, and we're going to talk more and more about the different features that you can use in order for you to start to generate leads, sales, and have a happy lifestyle, which is what I want for you and for myself to grow and become, as literally paving the way for our dreams to come true. Okay, we are in charge, so are you. Have a great day. My name is David, and I'm going to see you on the next video.